been struggling a lot with colors recently, like how to pick the right colors for shadows and how to get the fancy looking light. Do you have any tips? Study color and light from the masters. See how they do it. And learn a little bit about color theory. Like, this is the point, I think, in your drawing journey where you realize you're just like, you know what? I feel like my art is missing something. Like, I feel like I can do better with light and shadow and use of color. That's when you go deeper into, you know, learning about the topic. This is like the next step after you learn to draw or enjoy your drawing. Yeah, when you feel like, oh, I can improve, that's when you start learning again. If you could improve something about your art, what do you think it'll be? A lot of things. I mean, if I were to think about what I want to improve from my own art, short answer would be everything. Long answer probably needs a little more time to cook. Let Ina cook. Let future Ina cook. You need to learn the rules to break them. Exactly. Speed, I think, comes just naturally from just knowing and just internalizing a lot of the drawing process. So, I don't think it's to be something you consciously, you know, try to achieve. Man, I need to study art, drawing. I feel like drawing, you never stop learning, so you gotta keep studying no matter what stage of drawing you're at. Unlimited artworks, exactly. Never stop learning. Drawing is fun. Drawing is exciting. Drawing is a happiness I could never imagine feeling otherwise. Yeah, drawing. So fun, so easy, so fun.